1. Draw an oval and a line. Make sure the oval is drawn more like an egg shape. 2. Add an oval and 4 lines. 3. Draw a circle, a line, and a few more lines to mark the eyes. His glasses are a round shape and also are lopsided. 4. Add the eyebrows, the nose, and a circle for the second eye. 5. Draw the mouth, hair, and a few more lines, as shown. 6. Add the rest of the needed details. 7. Erase the guidelines. 8. Color the drawing. You can use colored pencils to make shades. 9. Finished.